What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to get Google Play Store on your Nintendo Switch 2. And to do this, basically you want to head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2, click on the settings icon, and then you want to scroll down continuously until you get to the internet settings over here. Select that, click on internet settings, and once the Nintendo Switch 2 is done searching for Wi-Fi's and hotspot network, you just want to go ahead and select the name of your Wi-Fi. In this case, I'll try to connect to my other Wi-Fi over here. Select the name of your Wi-Fi, and instead of connecting, click on the change settings over here. Now you just want to continuously scroll down until you get to the DNS settings over here, and by default your DNS settings should be set to automatic, but what you want to do is to select it and then come over here and select the manual DNS settings, and then proceed to enter the exact DNS settings I have over here on my Nintendo Switch 2. So basically you want to go ahead and enter 045.055.142.122. Once you're done, come over here and click on the OK button, and then scroll over to the right and click on the save button. Click on OK. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and try actually connecting to the Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So come over here and try to connect, click on connect to this network, but then eventually this connection is actually going to fail, but that is exactly what we want. So come over here and click on the OK button, and after some seconds this is actually going to open up a new page on your Nintendo Switch 2. What you want to do is to come over to the top and click on go to Google over here, and from this input field you basically just want to go ahead and search for Google Play Store. Once you're done typing, just go ahead and click on the search icon over here, and automatically this is actually going to open up the Google search engine results page where we can actually find the actual Google Play Store from the internet. So basically what you want to do at this point is to just go ahead and select the first link from over here, and automatically this is actually going to open up the Google Play Store for us on our Nintendo Switch 2. So basically you can actually browse through all of the apps we have over here. As you can see, these are different apps that are actually available, and you can just view information about any of these apps directly from here. But it is important to note that you cannot actually download and install these apps into your Nintendo Switch 2 because they are not compatible. Anyways, once you're done using the Google Play Store on your Nintendo Switch 2, you can always come back to the internet settings of your Nintendo Switch 2. So basically from the change settings we get to the DNS settings, and from here you can always set this from manual to automatic, and even come back to manual again anytime you feel like, because the primary DNS is always going to be saved for you to actually come back whenever you want to. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.